how to install or add Microsoft Store to Windows 10. Hey everybody, if you're wanting to do that, you may follow up the simple steps. So first of all, you can just head over and download this tool right here. Let me just show you this Microsoft Store Master. I will leave it in the description. You can just go ahead and copy the link and and download it from there. And then you can just go ahead and extract the file, right click on it, go over to extract all option and select the option, click on extract, and it should start extracting. So you can just go ahead and open it up and you can look out for addstore.cmd. Open it up and you can just head over to your settings in order to turn on developer mode. Hit Windows plus I and type in developer. And then search for developer mode. As I said earlier, look out for the developer mode and look out for this option, turn it on, give access. And once this is done, you can just head over to the file location, this one right here, and look out for this add store. Right click on it, run it as administrator, give access, and it will start adding Microsoft stores. Hit enter for that. You may find different red code here, commands here. You can just go ahead and ignore those. And once that is done, the Microsoft Store should be installed on your device. You can just go ahead and look out for Microsoft Stores, or before that, you can just go ahead and restart your computer for once. The installation process is a bit long, so it may take a while for the installation to be completed. So you can just head over and look out for the downloaded Microsoft Store. After that, click on open and you can go ahead and access Microsoft Store on your device. So this is how you install and add Microsoft Store to your Windows. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.